Tony, the Ceratizit Group catalogue has 60,000 products out of your 100,000 that are available from the group. Now, talking about special offers, you've got a special offer from the 1st of September. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yes, Mark, we've got a special offer at the moment, spindle nose tooling, and basically what we've done there is invest significantly in the amount of stock so that customers can take advantage of up to 77% discount on normal list price, covering WNT performance spindle nose tools and WNT standard tools.
So this is available from the 1st of September, both to the UK and Ireland.
Yes, Mark, this offer now is available 1st of September to all UK and Ireland customers, either new or existing customers. All the stock is on the shelf, ready for next day before noon delivery.
And I presume that any customers, engineers that don't work with you at the moment, for instance, this is a great way to actually get your foot in the door to show the capacity and the portfolio of what you can actually offer.
Yeah, obviously now with the increased team cutting tools for brands, we've now got 100,000 products to offer. This is just one example of it, but it's a perfect example. If a customer's looking either to buy a new machine and they're looking to tool that machine up, it's a very cost-effective way for them to do that, and will inevitably lead to some new customers coming forward, I would imagine.
So over and above this video, Tony, will engineers actually be receiving this offer in the market?
Yeah, this will be on many email campaigns, Mark, so they're going to see this promotion come through on their email. Obviously click through, follow the links, and then the promotion will be available for them.
And I presume also they could actually speak to their representatives if they are a customer at present?
Absolutely. As always, if they want to do or work with their local technical sales engineer to organise these tools on a promotion basis, that can be done also.